Hello, let's take a look at one of the car insurance companies today. So let's go. With many choices for car insurance, it's often difficult to differentiate among companies, but there are certain things to look for. Coverages you need and options that allow you to customize a policy, discounts to help you save money, highly rated service, high ratings for financial strength, so the company will be there when you need it. And, of course, you want all of this at a reasonable cost. Liberty Mutual doesn't beat the competition in every category. In fact, some of its claims and customer service ratings are concerning, but the company does offer a wide range of policy options and discounts on top of its very competitive pricing. It may not be the top car insurance company out there, but it is an overall good choice. Liberty Mutual Car Insurance. Pros and cons. Liberty Mutual Pros. 1. Wide selection of coverage options and discounts. 2. Better pricing than competitors in multiple categories. 3. Potential 30% discount by participating in its RideTrack UBI program. 4. AM Besta rating for financial strength. Liberty Mutual Cons. 1. Some states do not appear to be served by an agent. 2. Middling claims and customer service ratings. How much does Liberty Mutual car insurance cost? Teens. Teens are among the most expensive drivers to insure. Their lack of experience behind the wheel makes them more prone to automobile accidents. If you're a teen or a family who needs to insure one, check Liberty Mutual. The company's $2,604 annual premium for teens is not only the lowest in our review, but it's $1,354 cheaper than the closest competitor. That's also less than 1/3 the cost of the most expensive competitor. Age 35, 45. More experienced drivers pay less for insurance. That's true for all the companies in this comparison. Liberty Mutual edges out its competition on pricing for those in the 35-45 age range. Its $1,092 annual premium is $142 less than its closest competitor. Seniors. Liberty Mutual may also be a great choice for seniors. At $1,080, the company's cost for seniors is $40 less than its closest competitor. DUI. A conviction for driving under the influence DUI can affect your insurance cost. Liberty Mutual's $2,328 annual premium for a DUI is the second highest of the companies in our review. Speeding ticket. Liberty Mutual charges $1,656 in annual premium for a driver with a speeding ticket. This is the second cheapest in our review, and $247 more than the cheapest premium. More about Liberty Mutual. Cost is just one of the factors you should evaluate when shopping for insurance. Here's how Liberty Mutual does for product features, expert rankings, and more. Discounts. Liberty Mutual offers a wide range of discounts to help you save money. According to the company's website, they include the following: claim-free, early shopper, good student, homeowner, military, multi-car, multi-policy, online purchase, paperless, student away at school, usage-based insurance UBI, violation-free. Like many other leading insurance companies, Liberty Mutual offers a UBI program called RideTrack. The program advertises discounts of up to 30% if you agree to share driving data with the company, and that data proves you exhibit safe driving habits. Coverage offerings. Liberty Mutual offers the coverages you need to drive legally and protect your investment in your vehicle. These include liability, personal injury protection, uninsured motorist, collision, and comprehensive coverages. The company also offers a good selection of additional coverages to customize a policy. According to the Liberty Mutual website, these options include accident forgiveness, better car replacement, deductible savings fund, GAP, OEM parts coverage, rental reimbursement, and roadside assistance. Claims service ratings. Liberty Mutual ranked 11th nationally in the GD Power 2022 U.S. Auto Insurance Claims Satisfaction Study. Its 870-point score in the study was slightly below the national average of 873 points. The company also received a D+ grade in the Crash Network Insurer Report Card. This grade reflects how well the company works to ensure quality repairs and customer service for the claims process. For reference, competing companies Progressive and State Farm both earned C grades, while Allstate earned a D+. Customer service ratings. Liberty Mutual has a 33% Net Promoter Score (NPS), according to ClearSrance, widely used in many industries. NPS measures a company based on its customers' likelihood of referring it to friends, family, or colleagues. A score of over 50% is considered excellent. The insurance industry average is 44%. The company's Consumer Complaint Index from the National Association of Insurance Commissioners (NAIC) is worryingly high. An index below 1.0 means the NAIC receives fewer than average complaints about a particular company. Liberty Mutual's index is 2.46. Allstate, Progressive, and State Farm all have indexes under 1.0. Ease of use. Many car insurance companies offer online policy quotes. Only a few allow you to complete a purchase of the quoted policy online. Liberty Mutual is one of them, and we like that. The company also offers a network of local, independent agents, which is a plus if you prefer more guidance when buying insurance. Be aware, though, that some states appear to have few or no Liberty Mutual agency locations. So, if you're in one of these states and want to buy a policy, you may have no choice but to do it at the company's website. Liberty Mutual's digital experiences had mixed results in the GD Power 2023 U.S. Insurance Digital Experience Study. The company ranked 4th nationally for shopping and a below-average 13th for service. Financial strength. Liberty Mutual has a rating for financial strength from AM Best. This means you can be confident the company can pay claims and provide other services when you need them the most. AM Best is an independent credit and financial rating agency focusing on the insurance industry. Its financial strength ratings demonstrate a company's ability to meet its financial obligations, such as claims payouts. It rates companies on a scale from a plus superior to D poor. Liberty Mutual's rating is labeled as excellent and is the second highest on the scale. Where can you buy Liberty Mutual? Liberty Mutual car insurance is available in all 50 U.S. states. Quotes and policies are available online and through the company's network of local agents. Who is Liberty Mutual Insurance? Headquartered in Boston since 1912, Liberty Mutual is one of America's oldest insurance companies. The company today offers insurance for cars, homes, power sports vehicles, and businesses, among other categories. Who is cheaper than Liberty Mutual? Liberty Mutual car insurance is on the cheaper side of the 4 leading companies we reviewed, including Allstate, Progressive, and State Farm. Liberty Mutual had the lowest rate for teens, those aged 3,545, and those aged 60. It had the second cheapest rate for speeding tickets, and the third cheapest rate for DUI. In these last 2 categories, State Farm offers the cheapest rates. Is Liberty Mutual good at paying claims? It's challenging to provide a simple answer to whether or not a particular insurance company is good at paying claims. We know that Liberty Mutual has an excellent financial strength rating from AM Best. This means the company is financially sound and should be able to pay customer claims. However, expert ratings of the company's claims service present a more mixed result. Crash Network gives Liberty Mutual a D+ grade in its insurer report card, while GD Power ranked the company below average compared to other leading insurance companies in its 2022 U.S. Auto Insurance Claims Satisfaction Study. These results don't necessarily need to dissuade you from choosing Liberty Mutual. However, if you have a claim with Liberty Mutual, be sure to be very proactive in following the claims representative's instructions, providing all requested information, and heeding any deadlines. Do all you can to help ensure the claims process goes smoothly. What is Liberty Mutual Comparion? Liberty Mutual launched the Comparion brand in 2021. This is a countrywide network of independent insurance agencies that sell insurance products from Liberty Mutual and other regional and national insurance companies.